Maya kakakain na tayo ng mga ibon. Magpaparonda na. At dyan nga sa part na yan, nagpakain muna tayo ng ibon natin para mamaya, pag pinaronda natin, meron silang lakas.
Sa'yo ang nadarama.
Yan at ayan nga, dumating na yung mga ibon natin at papababain ko na lang yan.
There was a time
Tuwanin natin yung mga ibon.
when I opened my eyes and there you were. You were more than a dream. I could reach out and touch you, girl. That was long ago. There are some things that I guess I'll